G'day, I'm Gyro from Gyro's Go Anywhere Diesel Repairs. We buy sets of spanners. As you know, we do field maintenance. We can't always have our truck beside where we need to work. We bought a couple of sets of spanners, Gyro, good spanners, in these little plastic cradles. Now, the plastic cradles will only take so much punishment before they let go, and then we lose sets out of spanners, and it makes it awkward to do jobs if you need the whole set. So we contacted our friends at nasbags.com.au, and they set us up with a couple of nice looking canvas tool pouches. We had our name engraved on it, SAE, the other one's engraved metric, and we had our spanners. We can roll them up if we can't do beside the job. We can take, roll them up, carry them to the job, do them, put them back, and it makes it good because we know if we've left any behind because there's a spot missing or whatever. Really handy. So I'm saying if you want something like this, because not always you get good quality canvas covers like this with your toolkits, they're mostly plastic based and they break, contact nasbags.com.au. Thank you.